Hi guys, in this video we are resurfacing an old fireplace with stone clad. We've built up the height of the fireplace to make more of a statement, and next we mapped out our stones. We used a stone adhesive to glue the stone to the wall. We used timber slats to hold the rocks in place and pieces of timber wedges to space between the rocks. Once we had the bottom pieces of rock firmly set, it wasn't too hard to build up on them, and we used timber and the wedges to keep the spacing correct. The full cost of the fireplace resurfacing was less than 500 Australian dollars. We did shop around a fair bit to find the right stone color and the price that we were willing to pay. All of the stones came under $400, and then the adhesive and grouting would have brought us to about $500 tops. While we did the front part of the fireplace, we got the hang of how it works, how long it takes to glue, and how much glue to put on this. And when the pieces weren't fitting perfectly, we either broke them by tapping or used the angle grinder, which we didn't use too many times, just to get that right height in a corner, just so that it all finishes perfectly. The front took us probably the longest, and then the two sides were very quick to finish. This cornerstone is a bit too high, and we used the angle grinder to cut to size, and then it was finished. This is the original mantel. Mantel has been stripped off the lacquer and paint washed and then varnished again.